Before I get into the bakery, as soon as I get up 2 a.m., I go and have a quick cold shower and come out and quick stretch and exercise. I've been feeling a little bit weak, especially on my lower back. So this exercise is strengthening my back because we know as baker, long hours on my feet, selling awkward positions and stuff. So exercise are really key important to maintain that posture and strength. Welcome back. Friday today. It's a busy day. I got a very tricky menu. It's not tricky, it's simple, but very demanding to do. So I've got two things that's new. It's a hot cross bun with cream in it and apple crumble on a brioche bun. So yeah, let's get into it. First thing first, get the hands done, then start loading some bread. Bread is in. Now pastries on the proofer and then mix some white and brownies. Let's go. These are the brioche buns. This is one of the best things I've ever made. This, but when it's all finished, you'll see it. It's so, oh man, it's okay. Ah, so that was lucky. It's just about full. Now, brownies and white loaf. Bread. Nice. Woo. Let's let the oven warm up a little bit and then load some sausage rolls and from there add the last batch of bread. Well, that's hot. Add brownies mixing, load the brownies next, and then we're gonna shape it, sausage rolls. And while I'm waiting for the proof, for the other buns to proof, not buns, but yeah, pastries and buns to proof, and then we're gonna bake it and assemble. Sausage rolls. In. Now it's time to clean the bench and then shape some bread, well, white loaf. So this is for tomorrow's sourdough. Start prepping tomorrow too. So here's a tip for you. So now, because I know I'm not going to be here for like 5 hours when I leave to do my pop-ups, so I'm using very cold water so it doesn't overproof by the time I come back to shape and pre-shape and shape for tomorrow. Because the other night, some days I've done the normal water and so I come back with not overproof but really like needed to go really quick. So today I'm doing very cold water so it lasts the time I'm gonna be out, because it's very warm now again to summertime, so we gotta think strategically how we prep our sourdough. That's a note for you. Oh. First thing first, I'm gonna make the mold. Oh. I love vanilla. That's number one. Number two, I love cream. Double cream. And eggs. So all mixed together to make a apple crumb and a brioche. Oh man. And this when you eat it warm, it's so good. It's just like fluffy. Oh, the most beautiful thing in the world, man. It's the cream. Oh, you ready for this? Check this out. Oh, mouthful. Oh. Next, the apple. A little bit generous, you know? You know I'm generous, you know? Woo! God. Let's bake these beauties. Oh man, come on. Woo. And crossing some hot cross buns. Just cross, I nailed it across. They come out really nice and beautiful. Look, they're shining hot cross buns. Do you like toasted with butter or with cream? Vanilla cream. What would you like to eat with? You know what time it is? Woo! Alright, let's do this one first. I told you. Look at this. It smells really good, man. It's a shame I can't send you the smell and the scream. Oh, if you were here, man. Woo! Next. Oh. So I'm gonna put cinnamon buns in. Let's put this on here a little bit more. Let's bake that for 12 minutes and then renew it. Come back there. Go. Oh, Jesus. This. It's so good. I'm not lying. It's really good. Anyway, now pain au chocolat, croissants. That, and I'm gonna assemble the hot cross buns as well. Put cream in the filling as well. Another thing that's good. We're not done with cream yet. It's fantastic. Look at this. Beautiful. Well, I'll be in Sevenoaks at the Bull Car Park. If you want to come and try this at the Bull Car Park or Nigel's, come and find me. Have some. Well, you know what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna have a bite, you know? It's so good, man. Hey, you need to come and try this. How about I do next week again? Nothing else. This is it. This is it. I can close the bag with everything else. Just bake this. Whoa! Time is going anyway. Remember sourdough. Come on, stay down. It's ready now. Ugh. Very cold. This is good. This is what we did today. Baked and loaded some bread, sourdough, white, and sausage rolls, and fantastic brioche buns, hot cross bun filling, pain chocolat, and we can't forget the classic, the cinnamon buns. Bye. See you later. What? You coming? Oh, wait. Okay, come in. Let's go. 7:30. Time to go to get the bag. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and God bless you. See you in the next video.